So yesterday we saw how to create a GitHub account, and give me a second, guys. Sorry, I was coughing now. So we made a GitHub account and we made a repository called Attain inside that GitHub account. So that GitHub account, what is it? It is a cloud version of our Git folder or a Git repo. So what is a cloud? Cloud is actually some computer that is on internet. Okay, some computer that you can access using internet. So GitHub gives you some storage on their servers that you can access using ID and password. So this account, Chazib -demo, this is my account that was made on GitHub Cloud. Okay, so cloud is technically some other computer on internet. So I went to the GitHub Cloud. I made a repo. Now what I'm supposed to do, I'll make a copy. Okay, let's say this is my computer. I'll make a copy of this GitHub repo that I made on the cloud to my local machine. So this copy or a clone of the folder I need to make on my local computer. So we are going to see a command today called git clone. We'll clone the repository. We'll do some changes. And when we want to finish the changes, and I want these changes, what I made over here in my local computer, I want that to be on the cloud. See, the main purpose of storing everything on the cloud is that whatever happens, my data over here is consistent. Okay, even if I lose my laptop, my file, my software, my code will be there. Okay, that's why big enterprises use GitHub Cloud or something, so that there is a backup of the code all the time and the latest version always present on the cloud. So I'll make a clone of the GitHub repo in my local PC, and then I'll push the changes back on the cloud when I'll be done. Okay, so we'll see. So GitHub clone, this clone command, we do this only once. Okay, we will only do it once. Let me write in this. Okay, only once. We will do it once when we make a clone of this repo for the first time in our computer. After that, when we see the differences, if we make some changes, push it, next time we won't have to make a clone again. What we'll do next time, we'll do something called git pull. That will be some other video. Okay, but right now we'll see the git clone command. So let's make a copy of this internet repository that I made over here, Attain. Okay, so how to make a copy of this in my system? Let's say if I open my files. Okay, I go to there is already one Attain folder. This is something else. Okay, let's say, where should I make it? Okay, let's make a new folder over here. New. Okay, if I go inside it, this folder is empty. Okay, sorry, I have hiccups. So right now, if I say present working directories, home, Chazib, documents, inside documents, there's a folder new. Now I want to make this, I want to bring this cloud Attain. Okay, this thing, this repository on the cloud, I want on my local machine. What I'll do, first of all, I'll see what is a clone link. I'll see this link is the cloning link. I'll click over here, see small clipboard buttons over there. I'll click on it. It will copy this link. Okay. Then I'll come back to the terminal wherever I want to copy. Okay. I'm inside documents, then inside new. Over here, I want to make a copy. So I'll come over here and type git clone and I'll paste the link. If I press enter, it's cloning. Give it a second. Okay, cloning is done. Now, if I go back over here in the files, earlier there was nothing inside the new folder, but now there is a folder called Attain. Okay, if I do ls over here, this Attain is the same folder that was present on the cloud. Okay, how I can check that? This README is the only file that is present inside it. So if I go inside the folder Attain, if I see the files, there is a README. If I see the contents of the README file, it is showing me teaching Git on cloud and a heading Attain. The hash symbol actually represents headings. You can cross check over here. If you click on this button, this is for editing the README. You can see the actual content is this. So if you want to make a heading, you can give hash. Okay. So this is exactly what is present in my local computer also. Okay, this is done. If I cancel it over here, everything is up to date. Okay, this is my repository. So I cloned this repository from the cloud to my local machine. Now what we'll do some changes and then we'll push the changes back to the cloud. Okay, let's see that in the next lecture.